Welcome back to Hospitality Insiders. Today, with the second series that we are going to ask Alex how PHI can add value to the developers and owners and to all in general hospitality industry. Hi Alex.
Hi,
Okay,
Connie.
so let's see how PHI can add value to the customers. What is your philosophy? What can you do to make their job different and easier?
Okay, first of all, we try for our customers not to see us just a regular supplier, but a partner, a strategic partner, so to speak. So, in many ways, we based our work in three areas: a complete solution from the door to the rest of the room. That's one of the key elements. Consulting, because we have a team of experts that can help them to make the best decision for the environment that they are working in. And also because we are a logistics solution that can take care of them from the moment that the product has to leave the factory to the moment that it has to be delivered at the property. So with these three elements, we can help a lot to any developer to achieve their goals in terms of budget, in terms of logistics, in terms of delivery. So that's pretty much what we do.
It is a really remarkable achievement when you can put all that together. But now all the hotels are becoming very global. Like you said, a lot of US brands coming into your area. So they are demanding the qualities and the product they're familiar with that might be made in USA or from US suppliers. How do you handle that?
Well, we face that a lot. They need a consistency in the quality, but market is not as developed as in the US or in Asia. That's one thing, that's for sure. But again, there are not enough suppliers in the area, and also a lot of, or many chains do not know the supplier space in the region. So that's why we took a step ahead and approach either the chains or also the manufacturers, the main manufacturers, to make alliances with them to be able to provide those key elements in our region. So in a matter, we supply the market knowledge that they need in terms of having the products when they need them, with the quality that they need in different scenarios. You have to bear in mind that Latin America has many countries, and all of them have different law, different regulations, and in some way different ways to do business. So for us, it's very important that we are Latin Americans. So that's also a key element that we take into account.
So it's not really just product or hotel chains, but understanding the culture as well as all the languages that you can speak to. So it is very important for US manufacturers or other manufacturers that are engaging a company like you to introduce their product.
Exactly. It's a key element. Both parties involved in the end. From our perspective to the client, that we have credibility in the area, we are well known, and on the other side, we provide credibility to the supplier. So it's also very important that many companies have been in and out in the market, and we've been over 20 years with hospitality and over 70 years in the logistics and banking with the other parent company. So in the end, it's 90 years experience involved. So credibility, reliability are very important.
Well, you're absolutely right, Alex, that we have done businesses in Central America. Trying to understand all these different countries' rules are very, very difficult. That's one of the reasons that I think we really love the opportunity to work with you and then exposing Connie brand into the Central America. So give us a little bit of your inspiration. Why do you choose Connie brand to your region?
Well, in all those years, we have experience with all types of different suppliers. So some of them were very good at one product, but that's the only product they had. So there was no variety. On the other hand, there were some kind of custom product, but they were so expensive and impossible in the end to bring into Costa Rica. There was no way. With Connie Hospitality, we found the ability to customize something very cost effectively, with very good quality, and with a history behind it that we can tell our client. And that also is very important, because now they also have a story to tell to their customers when they have a product, when they have, for example, a new bed, or they launch a new concept in the room. So from that perspective, is very important from us to have a brand like yours.
So when you represent and present the brand, do they recognize the brand?
Well, most of the main competitors do. They have had contact with Connie products in the past in the US, in some of the major markets in Latin America. So yeah, it's an asset that we can present. And since we are in the region and they know that all the brands that we try to carry in the region are high-end brands or first quality, they also rely on us that we are doing the right choice for them.
So now we'll come back. We're going to explore that licensing program that you have signed up with Connie Hospitality brand, and then how it affects your business and how that brand has added value to you.
Okay.
So when we come back, that what does it mean by licensing a program and licensing a brand, and what does that do to the business development for PHI?
This is Ken Salyer with Tricus, and I want to thank you for watching.
You're watching
Thanks for watching Connie TV.
Connie TV.
Watch it every day for the latest hospitality news, hospitality trends, or whatever you desire to find out in the hospitality industry.
Come join us now at connietv.tv.